Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and connect with professionals on XING. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and go ahead and search for XING and go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Once you've done that, make sure that you've already logged in into your account, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on network right over here. And this is a member search button where you can simply go ahead and search for any people that you want to network with. So you could also go ahead and search for companies as well, and then people who are working in those companies are going to pop up. So for example, if I go ahead and search for a name like Sebastian, as you can see, a lot of people with that name are going to go ahead and pop up, and you can simply go ahead and add them by clicking on the plus sign right over here, and then you can start talking to them just like that. Or you could also simply go ahead and use your filter right over here, second level contacts, direct contacts, and stuff like that. You can also go ahead and select all these like full-time employees, professional experience, all these filters right over here if you have the premium. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.